Tech Cocktail Conversations, candid insights from startup founders, entrepreneurs, and thought leaders from around the globe.
So I'm Andy White. I'm a partner with the Vegas Tech Fund, a part of the Downtown Project. The Tech Fund is the seed stage investment part of the startup ecosystem in downtown Las Vegas. From the Tech Fund side of it, we've really started to get our momentum. The first 9 months was really spent building out our referral network from others around the country. And so we're seeing a very consistent flow of startups, but the quality is increasing week by week. As we get more people coming out to experience the Downtown Project for themselves, then they're able to take that back home and send us groups that are much better suited for what we're doing and can appreciate the values and the opportunities that are here. So I think the biggest thing for the fund is you will continue to see a very steady flow of startups coming into town. That's going to increase some of the foundation for the startup community, and many of these have some very strong leaders coming out of other communities that will be able to help support what we're doing here. Many times a fund will have a specific area that they have an expertise in. Our area that we're looking at is broad as far as market, but very focused on the stage of the company. And so many of the companies coming to us are post-accelerator. So the teams have already been together for a while, have a product and a good marketplace with some traction. We think one of the areas that we can add the most value is to help them take those beliefs and values of their founders and helping them form the values of the company as a whole, so that they make sure that as they're hiring employees and that as they are going out and developing their customer relationships, that they can be doing those for the right reasons. So we're still interested in many different tech companies, whether it's software, hardware, B2B, B2C. But we want to make sure that they have that community focus and that they understand the importance of culture within that business. So it's evolving very rapidly. We're certainly seeing some changes in some of the initial community groups that have been established. The Tech Jelly has taken on some new forms with the scheduling of it and a little more structure, a lot more speakers, but then also a bit of a split as well to the group that's really there for co-working and they're collaborating much more, and then the others that are more there for knowledge sharing. Added into that same evening, we've got the Downtown Podcast now, so a totally new opportunity driven by community members. It was great to see it come just from the bottom-up core, and we're in the 5th or 6th episode now, and it's been fantastic. And then many other organizations and groups sprouting up all around. It's really gotten to the point at the end of this year from where at one point in time we always had something to do, to we're at the point now where we've got to choose which thing we want to do. And it's been great to get beyond that. Well, that's a big one. I can tell you a couple that I'm looking for, haven't found yet. One thing I'm very interested in is 3D printing. I would love to find a team where the use of 3D printing is one of the best tools to use to solve a big problem. So much of that right now is being put towards 3D printing as an infrastructure, which is great. We need that infrastructure. But now that opportunity will move to the actual application of that technology. And I'm excited to see what comes out of that in the coming months.